2005 Audi A4, 230,000 miles on it. It's got some issues. Where should I start? Let's go top to bottom. Cabin filter looks pretty gross. Every time you turn the AC on, this is the first thing you're breathing in. Air filter was done, so I wouldn't really worry about it. So have the spark plugs. Timing belt done at 88,000, 191,000 miles. Quite a long time ago. It is starting to crack. It's dry rotted. So if you plan on keeping the car, see the cracks? See that crack over there? There. That's one. Kind of hard to focus here, but believe me, it's dry rotted. There's more down there. So yeah, this is due. They say every 105,000 miles, but really every 75,000 miles. Car's got a lot of miles. Let's see. That would be at the top. The power steering fluid is completely empty. The dipstick is bone dry, and this is actually the cause of that leak on the passenger side. In fact, you can see it right there. It just comes from there. There it is. Drip, drip, drip. That comes from the power steering rack right there. And it's just falling down. It's just dripping there. Also this axle has seen better days. This axle is shot. Trying to find a way to hold the phone and manipulate that boot a little bit. That's gonna be hard. There you go. That thing is done. The car sounds like a tractor. That's because this downpipe is completely separated here at the flex pipe. There it is. Center differential is leaking. More oil coming from the turbo intake side. This is the bottom of the intercooler pipe. If we go further up next to the turbo, you can see it up there as well. Let's see. What else? There's another leak at the power steering lines. And their motor mounts are shot. These have leaked a long time ago, their stuff. That's one side, that's the other side. That's what that red goop is. Brake pads and rotors look good in the front. The rears are a little low, but still okay for now. So they're alright. It doesn't need brakes. The tires, however, are at the wear bar, meaning at the wear limit. Those little lines are there to tell you when to change tires. Well, it's these tires are done. They're almost slicks. Yeah, the codes because the check engine light is on. One was for, let me put the key on. One is for secondary air. One is for vacuum leaks, and one is for boost leaks. We'll go again. I hope you can hear me. I am wearing a mask. Oops, wrong button. There we go. Secondary airflow detected. MIL on, that means check engine light is on. Second one, boost pressure regulation. That's actually a turbocharger code. I bet that turbocharger, the one that's leaking, is bad. The wastegate flap is probably shot. It's a common problem, especially with this mileage. I would bet money on it. Brake boost vacuum system, mechanical failure. That's basically a large vacuum leak. It could be a vacuum pump, but I doubt it. Most of the time it's a vacuum leak. But the ones that have MIL on, that's malfunction indicator light on. Those are the ones that are turning the check engine light. So, like I said, low miles on this puppy. 230,000.